Okay, guys, I do apologize for the bonnet, but I finally cut the cantaloupe, and so we still have just one cantaloupe and one cucumber left. I finally cut the cantaloupe up, and here it is. Don't mind no watermelon, that's not mine. That was store-bought, but this. And I finally, hold on. Wait. Who gonna try it? Okay, we're gonna get one of my family members to try it. Okay.
I have a bite too.
It's bonnet gang. It is. It's
Sweet.
actually sweet, y'all. So, oh, hold on. Let me get a better piece.
That's good.
This is so good. I actually was successful in growing a cantaloupe, a sweet cantaloupe.
Nothing left behind.
So, hold on, y'all. 1 second. 1 second. I apologize. So rude of me. So, what I realized is I was talking to someone in the gardening community, and they told me I was watering my cantaloupes too much. Now, the first two, I couldn't help it because they came off really small. They actually fell off. I didn't pull them or anything. So they just ripened too fast, and they were too small. So these, when I noticed that they were getting like that greenish yellow, but it was still more on the greenish side, I backed off on how much I watered. And I think that was the job. I'm so excited. Sorry, y'all. I'm so excited. And it was a decent size too. It was actually a cantaloupe size. So, and yeah, it was great. So yes, I will be trying to go cantaloupe again next in the spring, fall-ish, summer-ish season, whichever one. It was a struggle. Definitely was a struggle, but I'm very happy. So now my confidence has gone through the roof again. So now I could grow cantaloupe. So I'll try it again the next time. Because I really do like cantaloupe and I really do like watermelon. So the reason for this watermelon is because I'm tired of waiting for my Jubilee. So I'm tired of waiting for my Jubilee watermelon. So I went ahead and got me a mini watermelon from the grocery store. But, you know, this will help my cravings from the Jubilee until the Jubilee watermelon is finished. So that is it for Kicking It with Kish. This is a quick little PSA, public service announcement. We got cantaloupes and sweet cantaloupes, y'all. Sweet cantaloupes. All right. Thank you for Kicking It with Kish. See you in the next video.